So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy USDT directly on your Safepal Wallet app. So first off, you'll need to open up your Safepal wallet. Once you've done that and you've put in your code, you can see send, receive, buy, gas station, you can see index, SF plus, DeFi, approval manager, Safepal store, and sign message. So through here you can see some different crypto underneath. From that point, you can just go to buy crypto. So you can see the option to buy. You can see from USD to see what's the estimated cost. So if you want to buy instead of BTC, you want to buy USDT. So just type it out. So choose USDT, enter the amount. So let's say 100. And you can see what's the estimated cost of that transaction. So you can see your receiving address, your payment method that you can add, stuff like Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit card, debit card, bank transfer, and your PIX. And once you've chosen that, you can then go back to here and be sure that your USDT is going to be bought with that specific currency that you've chosen through that specific payment method that you've chosen as well. So that's how you can buy USDT on Safepal Wallet. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Safepal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.